Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Riley and today we are going to be doing our July BoxyCharm premium and base box unboxings. So if you want to see what I got in my boxes, then just keep watching. Okay, so I did test some of these products out on my face already. I did film it too. So check that video out if you want to see like them in action. I'll give you a tiny little review of the stuff I did use, but the stuff I didn't, obviously I'll have to let you guys know in like a favorites video or something, or if I'm just gonna declutter it. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Let's do our base box first. So the theme this month is sunshine. Cute card. This retails for $25 a month, and I believe you get like 4 to 5 full-size products, so not bad at all. Super good. The first thing we got is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. So this is what the outer kind of packaging looked like. Super cute. And then this is what the bottle looks like. Very heavy and nice. I really can't wait to try this. This is a serum. It's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduces the eventual signs of aging. So that's a lot of stuff for this little thing. So I will have to test this out. I do have like 2 serums open right now. So once I finish them, one of them, I will open this guy up. So I'll let you guys know when I do that. But this retails for $49.95. So already, you know, starting pretty good. And then the next thing is this Yate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. This is the outer packaging. So cute. And then this is what the setting spray looks like. I love the packaging. I did use this to set my face today. The mist is really fine. Smells like coconuts, but like in a good way, not like a bad artificial way. So far, I like this. I think my face looks nice and glowy. I'm happy with this, and I will continue to use it and let you guys know what I think. That retails for $22. And then next is this Pure Festival 12-piece pigment eyeshadow palette. I did not use this palette today. If you guys want me to be completely honest, I'm going to declutter this palette if I can even get it open. So I won't be doing swatches of it because I am going to give it away. Gross, you know. But I will show you what it looks like. These are the shades. It's a pretty palette, don't get me wrong, but I'm a neutrals girl. So I know this palette wouldn't get a lot of love from me, so I want to pass it to someone who will actually love it. But very pretty. Yeah, and I'm sure I'm passing it along to my sister, and I'm sure she's going to love it. This is the packaging, by the way, which I do really like. It's super pretty. And that retails for $36. The next is the Clean Shop Clean Canvas Color Correcting Cushion Primer. This is the outer packaging looks like. Super pretty. Love the purple. And this is what the actual primer looks like. It's a compact. It comes with a mirror, and then here's your little cushion, and inside you have your primer. So I did use it today. You can kind of see it a little bit. It's supposed to reduce swallow, which I think that's darkness in your face. I used it on this entire half of my face and just like my under eye over here, and honestly I don't think my makeup's looking that great today. It looks better on camera than it really does in person, and I kind of think this is to blame. So right now I don't really like this, and I probably am not going to use it again. I'll probably declutter it. But if you got this in your box, did you use it and did you like it? Maybe I'm using it wrong, let me know. But that retails for $20. And then the last thing in the base box is this Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner from Lavish. I did use this in my video too. So far I think it works really good. I'm like happy to have it because I tend to use the same eyeshadow brush like over and over again. So this will come in handy, and I'm really happy to have this. And that was $20. So let's add up the grand total here. So $49.95 for the serum, 22 setting spray, 36 eyeshadow palette. That's not right. $49.95, 22, 36. Oh, it was right. 20, and then 20 equals $147.95. So not bad for $25. I would say, oh, it's like I only really like two items from it though. Like these are the only 2 I feel like I'm gonna get use out of. And this, I guess I really like this, but the Cream Shop and then the eyeshadow palette, like I'm decluttering this. So I don't know. I've had better boxes, but this one wasn't bad. I am excited about these 3. So I guess that's a plus. I don't know. They could have done better though. I know there was some Hourglass in these variations this month. I wish I would have gotten one of those maybe. But you know, it is what it is. So next, let's move into Premium. And this one is $35 a month, and I believe you get like 6 to 7 full-size products, so still not bad. This is a pamphlet for that one. And I'm pretty sure the base is, you're supposed to get $100 like worth of products. I can't remember the premium though, or even if that one's necessarily right. But let's get started with our premium. Ooh. First, I took it out of the packaging already. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes. If you watch my other video, you'll see that. But the first thing we get in here is this Morphe X Manny MUA Glam Palette. Super cute. It does come with a mirror, which is nice, but this is what it kind of looks like. There is some like everyday shades with little pops of color, so I do like that, and 2 highlighters. So I'm not going to swatch these because I literally did a whole video using them. So if you want to see this eyeshadow in action, watch that video. But this was a good palette for 20 bucks too. The formula isn't anything insane. The highlights, I'm wearing it today. Pretty subtle, but for 20 bucks, it's not bad. So this was a kind of win, you know, not too bad. And then next is this Saturday Skin 100% glycolic pore, what is it? Oh, it's just pore clarifying toner. This is what it looks like. I have used this a couple times already, and I do like it so far. It's pretty drying on the face, so you want to put on the thick moisturizer if you have dry skin after using this, but so far I do like it. Obviously I haven't used like that much. I've only used it a few times, but I will continue to use this and let you guys know. But that's really cool. So it's just supposed to refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid, targets pores, concerns, and blends, helps improve look of balanced and clear skin. And it retails for $30, so I'm actually really happy to have this, and I'm going to keep using it. Next, is this, Fully Fire is the brand, and it's a matte lipstick trio. This is what it came in, and this is what the lipsticks look like. I did use one of these in my video, so if you want to see that one in action, go check out the video, but I did end up taking it off. To be honest, I don't love the shades, and I'm probably not going to use them. I'm probably going to give them to my sister, but this one is Here to Slay, so like a true, like red. Like, it's red. That's what it looks like. It's looking, I don't know, a little bit more pinky red than like red, but I don't wear shades like this anyways, so I'm not going to use it. And then this one is Full House. This one, ooh, scary. It's like a deep looking color. Oh, okay, it's like a nudie purple? What? Either way, it's not my shade, but this one is, I don't know, they're not that wearable for me in my opinion because I do like nudes. And then the last one is in Sunset Boulevard, which I'm destroying the packaging. This is the one I used in my video. It looks like it's gonna be a cute pinky nude, and then you put it on, and I mean, I don't know, it's just really pink. So I don't love it. I didn't like how it looked on me, so I am gonna pass these along to my sister. Hopefully she can enjoy them. So that was kind of a fail. These 3 were, and they're mattes. I mean, I don't mind matte lipsticks, but I prefer, you know, I can do mattes, but I just put a gloss on top. But anyways, those retailed for $39.99. I don't think so. No, there's no way they are worth that much money. I would not pay that. No, that's ridiculous. Okay, anyways, next is this Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. This is what the packaging looks like. Yeah, so what it is this is the navy blue side, and then this is like the black side, and it's a liquid liner. And this one says it's a kohl liner. Okay, yeah, what the? I did not use this today, if you can't tell. I don't like this. I can already tell you I don't like this. That's what the blue looks like. It's not bad. What? Maybe I'll try it in my waterline. Okay, and then this is a liquid liner. That's what it looks like. This is weird. It's not like sinking into fine lines though. So that's good. It's not the blackest either. I'm gonna have to try this and let you guys know. I forgot to use it in my last video, but I'll update you guys on this one. And this retails for $24. So weird. Okay. And I don't know how to say this brand, so I'm not even gonna try. But it's a set and define kit, so like a contour type palette. I did use this in my video, so if you want to see it in action, go watch that. We have a mattifying, a setting, a highlight, a contour, oh nope, this is a bronzer, dark contour, and contour. The bronzer has a shimmer in it. I am wearing it today, and I don't love the way my bronzer looks. I did use the contour, and I did kind of like that. I'm gonna have to play with this more to form like an actual opinion and use it in like my bathroom with my normal lighting in a better mirror, you know? So I'll keep you up to date on this one, but today I didn't really love it. And I did swatch these for you in that video, so if you do wanna see swatches, go check that video out. But yeah, so that is this, and this retails for $42. I mean, the packaging's kinda nice. Wow, okay, that's expensive. Okay, and the last thing is this cuticle oil. It's like milk and honey. This is what it looks like. It's really, really cute. I guess I'll use some right now in front of you. I've used it once. It's not bad. I just don't, I should start doing it because I have like man hands because I work with cardboard all day. But yeah, this might be good for my fingers. I'm just gonna kind of rub it in. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. So yeah, I mean, they look a little healthier. I don't know. This is something I'm just gonna have to like put in like my daily like nighttime routine. But this is cool to get because if I wouldn't have gotten it, I would have never bought it. So that's kind of neat. And this retails for $18. So that's the end of the premium box. Let's add up our total. So Morphe was $20. Saturday Skin was $30. The 3 lipsticks were $39.99. The Laura Geller is $24. The contour palette is $42. And then the nail oil was $18, bringing my total to $173.99. And I paid $35 for this box. So that value is not bad. Now, is this my favorite premium box I've ever gotten? No. No. It's not. I like the palette. That's not bad. I mean, I can get some use out of this. I'm gonna have to play with this more because first impressions, it wasn't that great. Like, I don't know, I just have to play with it. I'm gonna give the lipsticks away, so that sucks. The nail oil is like okay. I'm not super excited, but I'm not like whatever. So this is like an okay product. This to me is just weird. I'm gonna have to test it out, but not my favorite thing to get. And then this is actually nice. I am happy I got it, and I will use this. Am I forgetting anything else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so that's it. Either way, I don't think either box really has a winner. I think I'm more excited maybe for these 2 items that, like, out of everything. So I'd say maybe if I had to choose, the base box did win this month. I hope next month BoxyCharm kind of picks it up and does a little bit better. I feel like my boxes haven't been that great lately. They're just like okay. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and see what next month has to hold. If you guys want to leave your thoughts and opinions down below on your boxes or all of the items I got, I would love to know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!